Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Englo Listening Podcast.
That's right. Our mission is to help you listen, learn, and speak English confidently. I'm Huda, and today we are looking at the common phrase, be cut out for.
When we say someone is cut out for something, we mean they have the right qualities, character, or natural ability for a specific task or career. If you aren't cut out for it, it's just not a good fit.
Exactly. Let's hear it in a real-life scenario between two friends, Chloe and Ben.
Hey, Chloe, how is the marathon training going? Are you ready for the big race?
Actually, Ben, I quit after 2 miles. I love the idea of the runner's high, but between the blisters and the early mornings, I've accepted I'm simply not cut out for long-distance running.
I totally understand. It takes a certain type of person to enjoy that pain. So Chloe realized she doesn't have the temperament for marathons. She isn't cut out for it.
Now try using this phrase in your next English conversation. What is one hobby you realized you weren't cut out for?
Don't forget to subscribe to the Englo Listening Podcast for more lessons. See you next time.